Fars province boasts a wondrous and spectacular nature. With its mountains, plains, forests, and wetlands. Maharlu Lake shimmers like a pink diamond. The breeze creates ripples on the water surface, and flamingos dance upon the lake. Every year, Maharlu serves as a safe haven for migratory birds, a serenity brimming with the zest for life. From beyond the mountains, the sound of Margoon Waterfall can be heard. The air freshens and water droplets glisten like crystals. The path continues toward the Behesht Gumshadeh, a heaven hidden in the shadow of trees, with small cascades playing a cool, soothing melody. In the vicinity of Shiraz, the village of Kalat rests on the mountain slopes. It possesses a rich ancient history, where old trees stand like silent guardians. The morning mist spreads over the village, and the cool, pleasant air invites travelers. Dasht Arjan is spread out on the mountain slopes like a beautiful carpet, unveiling yet another act in this spectacle of nature. Fars is like an eternal dance. Every scene has its own melody, every vista its own movement, and every step recounts a story of beauty and life.